Hello friends, we are back. It's summer right now. Won't we like to have something cold?
Yes, Tata, I would love to have something cold.
So Aarya, should we make some cool cocoa milk?
Does it mean cold chocolate milk?
Yes!
Yay! So let's see what we have. We have some cold milk which we have poured some in the bowl too. We need cocoa powder and sugar and also chocolate syrup and some sprinkles for decoration.
So first, we're going to heat the cold milk in the microwave for 30 seconds. Kids, take help from your parents when you use the microwave.
The milk is going to be hot. You don't want to hurt yourself.
Now we're going to add the sugar and the cocoa powder and stir it till it dissolves.
So now we're going to pour the milk into this milk and then shake it. Dada, please could you help me pour it?
Yes.
So now we're going to close the lid and shake it.
But be sure that the lid is very tight.
It looks yummy. Now we're going to pour this milk into the jug so it gets easier to pour it in the glass. Dada, please can you pour it for me?
Yes.
So let's decorate the glass.
Now we're going to pour the milk into the glass. But pour the milk only in the center, not on the sides.
The cool cocoa is ready.
Aarya, I have an idea. We have some whipped cream in the fridge. Should we put that on the top?
Yes. Let's put some sprinkles. We enjoyed making this recipe with you. Why don't you make it and tell us how you like it?
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you. Bye.
If you like watching our recipes, please like the video and subscribe.
And don't forget to share the video with your